美国共和党总统候选人川普伫摇摆州北卡国庆日遭到枪击受伤了后，第一场后挂造势活动。伊演讲时阵，大政府加360度放大玻璃，避免有人个想要开枪暗杀伊。川普除了请警长上台为安全挂保证，也佫批评贺锦丽。
She'll destroy our country just like she destroyed San Francisco, just like she destroyed California. With the Trump victory, we will once again have the greatest economy in history. We're going to do things that are going to make us so great so fast. We're going to bring it back. We're going to make America strong again. We're going to make America great again.
另外，有媒体报道，在总统候选人小罗伯特·甘乃迪可能在第23宣布退选，争取支持共和党总统候选人川普重回白宫。小罗伯特·甘乃迪的竞选副手夏纳汉进前透露，两人在考虑退出竞选，争取支持川普。川普受访时讲，若小罗伯特·甘乃迪愿意让路，也考虑将对方纳入新政府内底。先进前，小罗伯特·甘乃迪勿讲要用选票拍败川普。
All that's going to do is, first of all, make President Trump more popular because he becomes an embattled hero. But it also is really bad for the polarization of our country. Listen, I'm not a fan of President Trump's. I'm running against him. I intend to beat him in this election. I want to beat him on a level playing field. I don't want to beat him because of a court case. I want to beat him because more Americans voted for me. And I don't want to deprive Americans of their ability to vote.
根据国会宣布的民意调查，小罗伯特·甘乃迪支持率只有8.7%。不过专家分析，因为川普甲贺锦丽竞争较激烈，小罗伯特·甘乃迪若退选，伊支持者的选票可能会影响摇摆州的选举结果。公司新闻新闻报报道。